The Rams literally rammed their way to the NFC Championship game, sending America's team packing. Time to overreact to divisional round Saturday. Everyone was concerned about Gurley's knee. Everyone said that the Cowboys could stop the run. Everyone thought C.J. Anderson was just a stopgap. And everyone thought LeBron was a Cowboys fan. Now everyone has to respect Sean McVay and the LA Rams, conjuring up memories of the 1986 playoffs where Eric Dickerson ran for 248 yards against who? None other than the Dallas Cowboys. Eerie. The Rams make their first NFC Championship game since 2001's Greatest Show on Turf and win their first playoff game in LA since 1986. Since 95, the Cowboys haven't even sniffed the championship game, and that streak continues with a gut-wrenching loss that saw them run for only 50 yards. But cheer up, Cowboys fans. You have one of the youngest rosters in the NFL, but you're just going to have to pay a lot of people real soon. And I think it's safe to say it's time to move on from Scott Linehan. Moving on to the AFC. Ding dong, the witch is dead. All of those Chiefs demons exorcised. The Colts were the hottest team in the AFC coming into the playoffs, and we wondered, would Andy Reid's playoff history haunt him again? Not with Pat Mahomes. It was a good old-fashioned beatdown, and the Chiefs might have finally found a defense. And now the Chiefs will host their very first ever AFC Championship game at Arrowhead. What a difference a year makes, huh? For the Colts, you have a lot to be proud of. To start the year 1-5 and make the divisional round? Impressive. You're solid in the trenches, you finally can protect Captain Luck, and you have a running game to rely on. Next year's going to be fun, and you're officially a part of the new guard in the AFC. And we are officially done with this video. And in the meantime, stick with Sports Pulse, your heartbeat to what's trending in sports.